him. Should've saw his face when I ran it up in Louis. I'ma treat the nigga how he look. I'm a rich bitch with some rich friends. If he buy for me, he gotta buy for them. I'm a boss bitch, I don't need help. I'ma tell him to buy, but I can get it myself.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Jalynn Nicole and I'm back with another video. As you could tell by the title, this is going to be a quick get ready with me for my 20th birthday photo shoot. I tried to make this like a vlog, but I didn't really work out. So this is just going to be a quick get ready with me. But if you guys do not mind, subscribe and like for more videos. Yeah, cause like this hair really got the job done, like no cap. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to put y'all on, like for real. I'm really gonna have to put y'all on, cause this hair really did it. My best friend makeup information and her Instagram page will be down below, so you can book her to get y'all faces beat, period. Like, I just want to let y'all know. Yeah, y'all see it. Yeah. Yeah, I bought 4 big ass balloons. There's only 2 left because first off, Party City, I had ordered them to get them blown up today because I was busy yesterday, so I was like, I'm gonna pick them up at 10 o'clock in the morning. They weren't even blowing up. Then they blew them up too big, so yeah. So now I only have 2 left. And I paid $5 a piece to get these blown up. Yeah, my balloons be there.
Little bitch, don't be speaking if you broke. Rich ass bitch getting money on my own. Rich little bitch, don't be speaking if you broke. I'm a rich ass bitch getting money on my own.